As I'm back, there has been a fun time of my deep dive into the coding realm, and I was summoned out of it by a member called Craig. So thank you so much for bringing me out of the shadows. Um, I think I'm personally ready to bring everything together. So that is the charting, the trading, the mastery of the self, content creation, as well as the forecasting of my newly built AI models alongside live market data. So I'll be getting into that. I just want to preface a point there real quick. TradingView itself hasn't necessarily got the ability to share fast moving charts. So I won't be able to do before and after charts on TradingView, unfortunately. So I'll have to move over to something that has more freedom for creators like myself, and that is, of course, YouTube. Um, TikTok isn't my thing. Instagram isn't my thing. So I'm just going to do it on YouTube. I hope that's cool for you guys. And that way you can see the before and the afters, the predictions, the fails, the wins, and the performance of these AI models in live market conditions. Full disclosure, I haven't put them in live market conditions as yet. So I'll be publicly learning, publicly failing, publicly improving alongside you now. I'm finally at a point where I believe these models are strong enough to put something strong forward. I'll get into that as that opens out. All right, so just into the structure of what we're working with at the moment. I'm in Africa, okay? So the southern tip of Africa, it's a beautiful place and away from the madding crowd. Above me, of course, is the UK and Europe. Before my day starts, we've got Australia, and as my day comes to a close, the Americas are hustling and bustling. So what I want to do is provide a morning show, my time and in my time zone. This way, Australia will have access to it. Obviously, everyone in my time zone will have access to it. But I think for the late night owls in the Americas, they'll be able to have a look at what the market's going to potentially do whilst they get to sleep. And then there will be a follow up at my day end, which might be the beginning of the Americas. I'm not too up to date as to when they will be in Australia, but there will be more consistent videos coming out, but obviously a lot shorter. So the plan with these videos is just to go through the MTOPS method just from a very high level, nothing too complicated. I won't get over explainy. It'll just be the method, and I'll show you what I'm watching for, and just run that structure in each video. So we've got consistency. It's easy to comprehend from your side, and yeah, we can just get to the point a lot quicker. So I guess we should probably begin. I had a update after trying to get through some teething problems yesterday with the video not working and so on. And it said that initially I thought I was going to go down. I was a bit distracted. I set everything up. You could see a short arrow there, but then when I jumped on before getting to bed, I saw that the low has been forming over here, and I said that it's going to go upwards. So price will break the nearest higher. And just real quick, that's exactly what happened. All right, so let's get into today's market update. So from a market structure perspective, we've got a higher low. From a time forecast perspective, I'm just going to go naked eye. So my MTOP students will know how to do this. For those who are looking to learn the strategy, reach out to me and go through the paid videos. From there to there, just kind of roughly, I think I want to put a target box down for this area. All right, so I'm just going to call this add text target zone. Okay, moving on to the oscillator. There's a switch to the upside. I've added in a rate of momentum within this. However, because of the nature of programming, the numbers aren't necessarily as large as the actual oscillator input itself. So it's been thinned out a bit. It's something I'm going to work on. But anyway, the overall switch has happened. The arms are wide open, and there is some room for it to travel before it switches to a close. From a price forecast perspective, I think it's going to be within this range. I'd say Arc 3, Arc 4, and therefore I'm going to keep that rather large target zone over there for it to fulfill that prediction. In terms of support and resistance, as we know, it's a diagonal, not linear. Don't listen to any social media influencer because there are a bunch of them out there. Honestly, the blind leading the blind. Anyone who says support and resistance is horizontal has no idea how the truth of market works. So just that's a side note and a reminder. In terms of supports, we've got the climbing over here, and then the resistance. We might see a bit of course correct along this third arc, and then a climb into there, or perhaps a climb up here, and then just a meander and finish off over there. How it gets to there is up to the market. I'm not here to be a controlling overlord for markets. Like I don't, the path doesn't really matter. It's the destination. So I'm going to leave that there for now, and see how this market transpires. All right, so let's leave it there for now. I'll make another video, as I mentioned earlier, towards the end of my day. If you have any questions before then, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll get round to them in the next one. All right, see you then. Ciao for now.